Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to solve a Skewb using the beginner method. Okay, so here's our scrambled cube. Before we get started, there is only one algorithm you need to learn. It is called a sledgehammer. And what we do is we turn the right side down like this, the left side down like this, the right side back up like this, and then the left side back up like this. So practice that one, right down, right up, left up, because we will be using that throughout the entire solve. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is locate your white center, and we want to get all of the white corners around your white center. So looking here we've got one here in the right spot but flipped the wrong way. So to fix that, we simply turn it away like that, and then bring it in like that. Now what we're looking for here is either the green or the red, and here it is here, it's red and blue. So bring that down like that, and that will come in place like that. Here's another white corner here. This one has blue and orange. Here's the blue here. So if we turn like that, that solves that. And the final piece is here, orange and green, which goes up here. But if we turn it there like that, you can see that it is flipped. So to fix this situation, turn it where the white is facing away, like that. Then you want to hide this piece, like that, and bring that piece back in, and then restore the one you just disrupted. And there we go, that has solved all of the white corners around the white center. Now the next step, we want to get all of these yellow corners up the top. Okay, so once the white layer is solved, there are two possible cases before we solve the yellow corners, and that is where we have headlights at the front here. So holding them so they're in the right, this is where our sledgehammer algorithm comes into play. So holding it where the headlights are in the right, do the sledgehammer. And that solves our white corners. Okay, the other case we have is where we have two corners aligned, and they will be opposite each other. So what we're looking for is holding it so we can see the two that aren't in the front, popping it so that they are on the left and at the front, and we want to do the sledgehammer again. And looking around the cube, that will provide us with a headlights case in which we hold that in the right and do the sledgehammer. Once we have all our yellow corners solved, what we want to do is we want to bring the yellow center to the top, and we want to find the yellow center. Here it is here, and we want to put that in the back, like that. Once it's in the back, do a sledgehammer. Rotate the cube twice, 1, 2, and do the sledgehammer again. And that solves the yellow top. Once the yellow top is solved, what you want to do is look around the cube at the remaining four sides. Is there any sides that are solved? Yes, this one here we've got red solved. What you want to do next is find the two that are unsolved that are opposite colours. Here is green and blue, and we want to hold it so that they are in the front and the top, so that the solves opposite, which is red in this case, orange, is in the back. So holding it with blue and green in the front and the top, do the sledgehammer, rotate the cube 180 and do the sledgehammer, and that solves this cube. Now in a case where you've got the top solved and the bottom solved and you don't have any of the other sides solved, just hold it in any position so that you actually have the white and the yellow on the left and right rather, and do a sledgehammer, rotate 180, do a sledgehammer. Look around the cube, you'll find that it has solved one of the sides. Find your two opposites. In this case it is the red and the orange, so holding them in the front and the top, do your sledgehammer, rotate, and do your sledgehammer. And there we go. Okay, so now I'm just going to do an example solve using the beginner method. And looking around the cube here, we've already got one white edge solved. Here is the the other blue and white edge, which has got the red on it. So bring that down, rotate that across, and bring that up. And well, I've inadvertently solved the green and red white piece as well there. Here is our final one. Bring that down. It is flipped. So following that rule, where rotate it away, then hide this piece, bring that up, that back in there like that. And looking around, and we've got this case where we had no headlights, the two on top opposite each other, holding it so it's in the left and the front. Do the sledgehammer, gives us the headlights case, holding the headlights in the right hand side. Do the sledgehammer, solves the top, yellow's in the back, sledgehammer, rotate, sledgehammer. Looking around the cube, the blue is solved, so here is orange and red, the opposites unsolved. Sledgehammer, rotate, and sledgehammer. It's pretty simple. I'm going to be doing another video on the Skewb showing a more advanced method, including some better finger tricks. But in the meantime, just practice that. It's a really fun puzzle, the Skewb, and thanks for watching.